Anand, good to have you on the show. We'll let you go on that note. Thanks as always. Closing in pretty flat for this Wednesday afternoon. 11,248 for the index. Just a meager uptick of 13 points on the Nifty futures. And the Brett largely even, Stephen, although it did make an attempt to actually claw back in favor of the advances. We've given up that stance. About 81 stocks now to the decline, so they are definitely advantage reds right now. 55 going in favor of the advances. Torrent, Pharma, Grasim, TechM, Titan, Indiabulls Housing. These are all your big winners today. And of course, BPCL, which tanked about almost 9% with a near about 30% OI build-up. Infratel, which has again been a loser to the tune of about 2%. So a fair amount of OI build-up. Cadilla, Page, and the Nifty Bank have seen a good amount of OI build-up. Bharti has been quite a laggard. 423 is where that stock has shut shop, about a 3.5% downtick. Similar is the move on an idea after the comments coming in on the sidelines of their AGM. Jindal Steel, SAIL, Concor, HPCL, these have all been laggards in play today. Within the Nifty, you could also add a Titan, Shree Cement, Britannia, DRL and Cipla to the list of winners, and of course HDFC Bank as well, after some very comforting comments coming in from Aditya Puri there. These have managed to do the trick. Avan, what about the newsmakers though?
Well, you can't ignore Reliance Industries. You flagged that off. Reliance Jio now seeing interest from Abu Dhabi's Mubadala, close to a $1 billion stake in the company. Lots of fat checks clearly making their way as Reliance Retail is now touted to be the new Jio. BPCL has had a tough run in trade today. Remember, the government has yet again extended the bid for the submission deadline to November 16th, fourth time that this has happened on the back of requests from some of the interested buyers to do so. Meantime, we got you that ET Now exclusive that perhaps PNB is eyeing the acquisition of Lakshmi Vilas Bank, and sources indicate that PNB is in talks with the Reserve Bank already over the acquisition, although they say that as of now they've not been given any instruction for the LVB takeover. Welspun Corp received multiple orders amounting to about 1,400 crore rupees. GMM Fodler, there was some fund activity with Plutus Wealth Management buying about 1.6 lakh shares. Something like Arvind Lifestyle and newsmakers Arvind Life and Gap have mutually decided to terminate their franchise business relation. So that's kept some of those mid-cap counters in focus. But by and large, we wrap up today's session mildly in the green. Could be described as a fairly flat day of trade. For the broader markets, ditto.